In the world of modern urban living, small apartments have become the new normal. Yet, within these limited square meters lies the opportunity to create something truly efficient and beautiful, especially when it comes to kitchen design. The small minimalist apartment kitchen turns spatial limitation into inspiration, proving that simplicity, functionality, and style can coexist in perfect harmony. Far from being a compromise, this design philosophy offers several advantages that transform everyday living. From efficient organization to cost savings and visual calm, minimalist kitchens are redefining how we experience small spaces. Below are the key advantages of small minimalist apartment kitchen design, and how this approach can make your compact home feel both luxurious and liberating. 1. Efficient use of space. The most obvious advantage of a small minimalist kitchen is its exceptional space efficiency. Every centimeter is used thoughtfully, ensuring that no area goes to waste. The layout is designed for maximum functionality, often following the practical work triangle between the stove, sink, and refrigerator. Compact kitchens use clever spatial planning to accommodate everything you need without crowding the room. Vertical storage, wall-mounted shelves, and built-in cabinetry take advantage of height rather than width. Floating elements, such as hanging racks or slim countertops, enhance openness while maintaining usability. This efficient design philosophy ensures that you can cook, clean, and store comfortably, even in the smallest of urban homes. 2. Simplicity reduces visual clutter. Minimalism is built on one essential rule: less is more. In small kitchens, this becomes a life-changing principle. By stripping away unnecessary items and visual distractions, the minimalist approach creates an environment that feels open and calming. Handleless cabinets, clean lines, and neutral tones keep the space visually balanced. A small kitchen can feel larger simply because there's less chaos to distract the eye. Open shelves display only essential or beautiful items, while everything else is neatly tucked away. The result is a space that looks organized, feels serene, and functions seamlessly, a perfect antidote to the visual noise of city life. 3. Easier to maintain and clean. Another major advantage of a small minimalist kitchen is low maintenance. Fewer surfaces, simpler materials, and compact layouts make cleaning faster and easier. With less clutter, dirt has fewer places to hide. Smooth countertops, flat cabinetry, and open layouts reduce the effort required for daily upkeep. Minimalist kitchens often feature durable and easy-to-clean materials such as quartz, laminate, or stainless steel, designed to withstand daily use with minimal fuss. For busy urban dwellers, this simplicity saves both time and energy, allowing more moments to be spent enjoying the space rather than maintaining it. 4. Cost-effective design approach. Designing a small minimalist kitchen can also be financially efficient. Since the philosophy prioritizes essentialism, you naturally invest in fewer materials, fewer furniture pieces, and less decorative clutter. Instead of spending on ornate finishes or large-scale cabinetry, funds can go toward high-quality essentials like energy-efficient appliances, solid countertops, or durable fixtures. This results in a kitchen that feels premium without exceeding your budget. The focus shifts from quantity to quality. Every purchase serves a purpose, ensuring long-term value rather than short-term indulgence. 5. Enhances functionality and workflow. In minimalist design, function is the foundation. Every item is placed intentionally, supporting a smooth and efficient workflow. Compact kitchens often use modular layouts that adapt to multiple needs. Pull-out surfaces double as cutting boards or dining tables. Wall hooks organize utensils within easy reach. Drawers and shelves are strategically arranged so that cooking essentials are accessible without unnecessary movement. This level of thoughtful organization makes daily routines easier and faster, turning even a small space into a high-performance kitchen that works intuitively with your habits. 6. Encourages organization and mindful living. A minimalist kitchen naturally fosters discipline and mindfulness. Because space is limited, you're encouraged to keep only what you truly need. Every utensil, dish, or appliance earns its place. This encourages better organization habits. Labeling containers, maintaining clean surfaces, and routinely decluttering unnecessary items. The outcome is a sense of control and calm, where your kitchen becomes a reflection of mindful living. A small minimalist kitchen doesn't just change your space, it changes your lifestyle, promoting intentional consumption and a clutter-free mindset that extends beyond cooking. 7. Creates a sense of spaciousness. One of the most surprising benefits of minimalist kitchen design is how it visually expands small spaces. Through smart design choices, such as light color palettes, reflective surfaces, and integrated lighting, a small kitchen can appear significantly larger. Light tones like white, beige, and soft gray reflect natural light, making the space airy and open. Glossy or glass finishes bounce light around, while seamless cabinetry and continuous flooring eliminate visual breaks. These subtle design strategies make even the tiniest kitchens feel bright, breathable, and far more comfortable to use. 8. Promotes sustainability and conscious design. Minimalist kitchens often align naturally with eco-friendly living. By choosing quality over quantity, homeowners reduce waste and focus on longevity. Compact layouts also require fewer building materials, which contributes to sustainability during renovation. Energy-efficient appliances, LED lighting, and water-saving fixtures further reduce environmental impact. The minimalist lifestyle encourages conscious consumption, only buying what's necessary and maintaining what already exists. In essence, the small minimalist kitchen supports a greener, more responsible way of living that benefits both the planet and your peace of mind. 9. Offers timeless aesthetic appeal. Trends may come and go, but minimalism remains timeless. The small minimalist kitchen's simple, uncluttered beauty ensures it never feels dated or overdone. Clean geometry, balanced proportions, and natural materials provide enduring appeal that complements any modern apartment. Unlike heavily themed designs, minimalism evolves gracefully. You can update it easily with small changes, new hardware, a different backsplash, or updated lighting, without losing its core aesthetic. It's a style built on longevity, proving that restraint often leads to lasting elegance. 10. Enhances emotional well-being. Perhaps the most overlooked advantage of minimalist kitchen design is its effect on the mind and mood. In a fast-paced urban lifestyle, a cluttered home can unconsciously add to stress. Minimalist spaces, on the other hand, evoke calm and clarity. The simplicity of clean lines, open surfaces, and balanced design helps create a peaceful environment. Cooking becomes more enjoyable, meal preparation feels more organized, and even small routines, like brewing coffee or preparing breakfast, gain a meditative quality.